Hello and welcome to ReaderZone. This video shows how you can create and manage your ReaderZone account through the ReaderZone mobile app. You can find the mobile app by going to readerzone.com and clicking on one of these icons here to visit your app store. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the ReaderZone logo that looks like this. Download the app to get started. After opening the app for the first time, you will see this screen, and it's a good idea to allow notifications from ReaderZone that will come from your school or library. If you see a pop-up for an app update, go ahead and click yes and update a new version of the ReaderZone mobile app with any new features that might be available. Now let's create an account by clicking sign up down here on the bottom. To sign up, enter your first name, last name, email, confirm the email, and create a password. With my data entered, I click return or submit. And let's get started. Your next step is to add a reader. Your account can have multiple readers all with the same login. You can add or remove readers at any time. To add yourself as a reader, click Add Myself or click Add Another Person. And click Next. Once I have my reader name in here, I will click Next. Your next step is entering the reading program code for the Sachem Public Library. And that code is 358, B as in boy, and the number 5. Once you enter that code, you will see the summer reading for the Sachem Library up here at the top, and the reading groups that are available for you to join. Select the group or groups you'd like to participate with and click Next. If I would like to participate in the children group, I would click Children and then click Next. Once I'm through with that step, I am ready to read. I will click Go to see the reading groups I have joined. If I would like to add additional readers, I click Back and up at the top, back to my readers, and then add a reader, and repeat that process. Let's visit Phil Reader's account by clicking View Reader right here. When you click on a reader or a reading group, you will see this screen where you can make a reading entry, see your awards, and visit your book bank. For a group or activity that is logging minutes, you can use the built-in timer or use the manual entry button to enter a number. When the timer has ticked up to where you'd like to finish reading, click Pause, Next, and confirm your reading entry. I click OK and go back to my main screen. To make a manual entry, click Manual Entry right here and enter the number of minutes you've read. Click Next, confirm, and now that entry is done. For another type of entry like books, pages, or others, you will see this keypad. Simply enter in the number, click Next, and confirm your entry of any kind. You can make an entry for past days by clicking Past Reading Entry down here. It will default to yesterday's date, and then you can scroll to the date for which you would like to make a reading entry. Simply scroll to the date for which you would like to make a reading entry, enter a number, click Confirm, and now that reading entry is done. Let's look at the book bank down here on the bottom left. The book bank allows you to keep track of the books you're reading and the books you have finished. To add a book, click Add Book. You can search for a book through various fields, or you can scan a barcode. Click Scan Barcode here. This will open the camera on your phone. Be sure to allow the camera. You can find the publisher barcode on the back cover of the book. You'll notice the publisher barcode because it has an ISBN next to it. Once I scan the book, click Confirm. And now that book is added to the Books I'm Reading area of the app. You can add as many books as you'd like to the book bank. You may be in a reading group that is logging books. Some organizations will require you to enter a book that you are reading to make an entry. If this is the case, be sure to have the books ready to add to your book bank. You can click Mark as Read any time. You can finish a book or read a book again. If you have a book that you might read multiple times, click Read Again. And when you're finished with the book, you can click Move to Finished. Going back to my reading entry screen, you can see your progress anytime by clicking View Progress. Here you can see all of your reading entries, the books you've read, and other awards that you have earned in chronological order. If I go back, I can edit this reader. Click on the top left circle of the screen. Here you can edit the reading groups this reader is participating with, edit the reader information, and see notifications from your school or library. If I have more than one reader in my account, I can click the icon here in the top right to see all the readers associated with my ReaderZone account. On this screen, you can add readers. You can also edit your account and see notifications at any time. You will be logged into your ReaderZone account until you actively log out of the account. Using the ReaderZone account is simple and fun. We invite you to reach out to us anytime at help@reader.zone with any questions you might have. Thank you and happy reading.